Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage. Have you ever seen your vehicle out in the sun and noticed spiderweb scratches or swirl marks? Well, those are easily removed by McKee's 37 FC-717 Swirl Remover. When it comes time to remove common paint defects like swirl marks, scratches, oxidation, and random isolated deeper scratches, you have a couple different options. You can use an aggressive compound that, while effective, is going to scour or haze the finish, actually making you work backwards instead of forwards. Well, FC-717 Swirl Remover is not too aggressive and not too fine. It's formulated using proprietary abrasive technology that removes just enough paint to level it perfectly so the swirl marks and the spiderweb scratches are gone. This product features a long buffing cycle, meaning as you work it section by section, it's not going to dry up or dust on you. It's easy to wipe off, and it's going to leave your paint looking flawless. Now, FC-717 Swirl Remover can be applied by hand or machine. For the best results, because modern clear coats are very hard, you want to use a machine. Now, my personal choice are the Flex line of polishers. These German-engineered machines are buttery smooth and easy to operate, even for beginners. Now, with this product, you're going to want to use a foam polishing or a foam cutting pad. Apply a couple pea-sized drops, work a section no larger than 12 inches by 12 inches, and perform 5 to 6 section passes, up and down, and then side to side. As the polish starts to turn clear, wipe it off and inspect your results. Proceed by using McKee's 37 Fast Polish to refine the finish, or if it looks good enough for your standards, apply a wax and call it a day. McKee's 37 FC-717 Swirl Remover provides a solution to a common issue that plagues virtually every vehicle on the road: swirl marks, scratches, oxidation, and water spots. It eliminates all of those paint defects, leaving your vehicle looking flawless. I'm Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage.